Now, local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. A freezing fog this morning turned trees white with sparkling frost, but made for dangerous driving conditions. Newslink Indiana's Alyssa Ivinson has details on two early morning crashes.
Helicopters and crunching metal shattered the winter morning Monday.
Unfortunate.
Around 10:30, Luke Likens and Katie Stanley, both of Summitville, were traveling west on 1700 North in Madison County when slick roads caused them to slide into a passing train.
So he struck the train. The train did not strike him.
Likens told police he saw the warning gates lowering and tried to stop, but his truck hit the back of the train's first engine. Neither was wearing a seatbelt. Both patients are at Methodist Hospital in Indianapolis. Stanley was taken by helicopter. But this accident in Madison County wasn't the only one this morning. In Delaware County on Interstate 69, a trucker went off the road and hit a tree.
20 years working as a paramedic, I don't think I've ever seen a semi so badly destroyed as this thing. I mean, there's nothing left. It's gone.
Truck driver Gary Thomason from Louisville clipped another semi stopped along the interstate for repairs. This caused Thomason to go off the road and hit a 4-foot wide oak tree. It happened near the 44-mile marker of I-69 northbound around 4 in the morning Monday. Extremely dense fog may have been a factor. While Thomason was carting alcohol, police have not determined if it was a factor in the crash.
We have tequila and vodka scattered all over the woods there.
Northbound traffic on I-69 was down to one lane for about 8 hours as crews cleaned up the wreckage. Police say there's a lesson for everyone in these weather-related crashes.
If we just learn to slow down a little bit when it's icy and snowy, we'd be a lot better off.
Advice everyone can take note of. Alyssa Ivinson, Newslink, Indiana.
The weather also put a stop to work on a 45-foot hole on South 5th Avenue in Richmond. The hole happened after one of the oldest storm sewers failed and caused the road to cave in. The road's still closed and snow covered. Richmond Sanitary Director Bob Tyler says the major concern right now, safety. Metal sheeting will be put in the hole to prevent further caving in to make it safe for workers. Tyler says he's unsure when the project will be finished. Now here's Brian Smith with a look at tonight's forecast. Brian?
Good evening. More patchy, dense fog is going to be in store for us tonight and early tomorrow morning. A low of 12 degrees tonight, and for our 5-day forecast, notice this, more fog tomorrow night and Wednesday morning. But look at this, warm, mild temperatures coming up towards the holiday weekend. Chris?
Thanks, Brian. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us tonight at 10:57 for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.